Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious steak and shrimp pasta. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using ribeye steak. I chopped it into bite sizes and I have some shrimp here. I'll be using some penne noodles, heavy cream. I have chicken broth, parmesan cheese, some parsley, garlic and onions. I have some cream cheese, and for the seasoning I'll be using some black pepper, Italian herbs, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and some paprika. Here I will season my steak with garlic and onion powder, black pepper, paprika. I will add a little oil, add the seasonings, mix well, and set aside. For the shrimp, I have some garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, Old Bay, and black pepper. Add a little oil, mix well to combine, and set aside. To a skillet, I will add some oil, and then in goes my steak. I will cook it for about a minute per side. You don't want to overcook this, but if you like yours well done, you can probably cook it for about 2 minutes per side. Once they are done, you just want to remove it, set aside, and then carry on with the shrimp. For the shrimp, you want to do the same thing. Cook it for about a minute per side. Now let's cook our pasta. To some water, I will add salt and bouillon, then in with our noodles. Give it a stir and cook to your desired texture. This was supposed to be the very first step, but I got the clips mixed up. So yeah, in with some butter. We will add our aromatics, give it a stir and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so. Next, you want to come in with your heavy cream, your chicken broth. We will also add our Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese. We will add our seasonings for flavor and taste, and you want to mix everything until it's well combined. Allow it to dissolve and thicken. Once the sauce is ready, I like to reserve a little bit because I like a lot of sauce on my pasta, and as you know, pasta tends to soak up the sauce. So next we will add our penne noodles. We will also add our shrimp, our steak, and some fresh parsley. Give everything a good toss, mix till it's well combined, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple, and it's perfect for any pasta lover. They will enjoy this. And here you have it, my version of a delicious steak and shrimp pasta. I did serve it with some garlic bread and a fresh salad, and it was chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.